MySQL is one of the most popular database systems, using SQL, a standard language designed for managing data within databases. Welcome to the MySQL Essentials Bite-Size course, aimed to get you building and administrating MySQL databases via the command prompt and PHPMyAdmin. In this course, we're going to focus on developing our knowledge of SQL to first create databases and then insert, update, delete, and select data. We'll also be covering naming conventions and data types, and also constraints. And as I've previously said, we'll be utilizing the MySQL console and PHPMyAdmin for a more visual view of our data. So head over to the next tutorial, where we first prepare the environment, installing XAMPP, which gives us access to PHPMyAdmin and also the MySQL console.